Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create private channel in Microsoft Teams. So first, you need to log into your Microsoft account, scroll down, and then tap at this community icon. Here is where you see your communities. Okay, now if you want to edit your community here, all you have to do is to click or tap this three dots and you can edit setting here. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to add another community, and then this time I want to set this into private. So to do that, you have to click this plus icon, and then I'm going to select a category here, for example, professional. And then I'm going to change this to private discussion, something like that. And then I'm going to add description. It's up to you. Actually, this one is optional. But for example, you can say that this community is for private discussion or something private or something that needs urgent attention, something like that. Okay, so you can change that later on. Now, as you can see here below, there are options. Here is require approval to join. So if you want to toggle this one on, just toggle this one on. It means community owners must approve new members before they can join. And here below, there is this public. If you want to set this into public, you need to toggle this one on. But since our tutorial is how to create private channel in Microsoft Teams, you need to toggle this one off. Okay, to set this channel or to set this community into private, tap create, and that's it. So basically you can see it up here that you have added a community, a private channel, and then here you can start a new post, invite people, add members, create new event, okay, share files, photos, everything is up to you. So basically this is how easy it is to simply create a private channel here in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.